Hey everyone, welcome back to the FoneTool channel. If your iPhone started acting slow, freezing, or lagging after installing the iOS 26, you're definitely not alone. Don't worry, I'm going to show you 5 simple ways to boost performance and make your device feel smooth again. The first thing you can try is to force restart your iPhone. This is like giving your iPhone a quick reset. It clears temporary system files without erasing your data. First, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo appear. This simple step can solve many temporary slowdowns. The second method is to disable background processes. Your iPhone runs a lot of processes in the background. These can drain resources and make the phone sluggish. To manage this, go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh. You can set it to Wi-Fi only or completely turn it off. Doing so prevents apps from constantly refreshing when you're not using them, freeing up power for what you actually need. Another common reason for lag is when your storage is nearly full. A crowded drive can slow everything down. Open Settings, General, iPhone Storage to see what's taking up space. Try removing large apps you don't use, clearing old photos and files, or offloading unused apps. More free space usually means faster performance. The fourth tip is to reduce animations' visual effects and transparency. Reducing them helps speed things up. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion, then switch on Reduce Motion. Next, under Accessibility, Display and Text Size, scroll down and enable Reduce Transparency. These tweaks lighten the load on your device and make it feel more responsive. If you want the easiest and most reliable way to reinstall or downgrade iOS, I recommend FoneTool Repair. This tool automates the process. Whether you want to refresh your current iOS, fix system glitches, or roll back to a stable version, you can switch iOS version freely and get rid of device operation stuttering caused by upgrading to the latest iOS system. You don't need complicated steps, and your data can stay safe during the repair. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out. That's it. 5 ways to speed up a laggy iPhone on iOS 26 beta. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to FoneTool for more practical iPhone tips.